Question number 1. Who is the treasurer of the Robotics Club? Good thinking. Kaushik is the right answer. Question number 2. Where does the quantum robotics team work? Great job. High school is the accurate answer. Question number 3. Which country leads the world in robotics? Strong choice. Japan is the right answer. Question number 4. The study, engineering, and use of robots. Right again. Robotics is a valid answer.
Question number 5. Who introduced the 3 laws of robotics?
Right choice. Isaac Asimov is the best answer. Question number 6. Dash has been a world leader in robotics. You got it. Your choice, Japan, is right. Question number 7. All are the 3 C's of robotics except Dash. Exactly. Collect makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 8. Which is best platform to learn robotics? Nice selection. Invention is the correct and valid answer. Question number 9. Who created the 3 laws of robotics? Nice work. You chose Isaac Asimov, and it is correct. Question number 10. Where was the term robotics first used? Excellent choice. In science fiction stories is the right answer. Question number 11. In robotics, what is meant by an android? Valid point. A human with a robot-like appearance is true. Question number 12. Who is considered the father of robotics? You chose Isaac Asimov, and it is correct. Question number 13. What are the 3 main parts of a robot? You're right. Input, control system, output is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which one of these is not an area of eye? Correct response. Web design is the most accurate answer.
Question number 15. Where is the robotics club room located?
Solid response. Near gym is a valid choice.
Question number 16. Why is processing important in robotics?
Bravo. It helps in navigating the environment and making decisions is the answer. Question number 17. The field of robotics has its origin in? Perfect. Science fiction is the correct choice. Question number 18. The law of robotics established by Dash. Sharp thinking. Isaac Asimov is the right choice. Question number 19. Which of these is not an A technology? On track. Animation is the correct answer. Question number 20. How many laws of robotics are present? Well reasoned. 3 is the correct choice. Question number 21. Who mentors the quantum robotics team? Good job. Your answer 4 teacher mentors and 4 alumni assistants works well here. Question number 22. A person who writes computer programs. Excellent. Programmer is a brilliant choice. Question number 23. What replaces human efforts in tasks? Nicely done. Robots is a solid answer. Question number 24. Robotics can take on a number of dash. Great thinking. Forms is the right choice. Question number 25. Coding is a part of dash in robotics. Smart pick. Technology is the correct choice. Question number 26. What are some advantages of robotics? Well picked. All of the above is the correct answer.
Question number 27. Common drive systems used in robotics.
Correct. All is the right answer. Question number 28. These are components of a robot dash. Well done. Sensors input, control system decision making, effectors output is the right choice.
Question number 29. In robotics, what does I stand for?
Smart move. Artificial intelligence is an accurate answer. Question number 30. How many laws of robotics do we have? Clear logic. Your choice 3 is sound and 100% true. Question number 31. Isaac Asimov's Day-Ash Laws of Robotics. Smart move. 3 is an accurate answer.
Question number 32. Who created the robotics group chat?
Good job. Your answer, Breonna, works well here.
Question number 33. Which level are you now in robotics? Sharp thinking. 1 is the right choice. Question number 34. What is Kashan on the robotics team? Correct response. Programmer is the most accurate answer.
Question number 35. Use of robotics software in robotics.
Strong choice. Both A and B is the right answer. Question number 36. Actions performed based on the input.
Right again. Process is a valid answer. Question number 37. Who invented the 3 laws of robotics? Well picked. Isaac Asimov is the correct answer. Question number 38. Who proposed the 3 laws of robotics?
Right choice. Asimov is the best answer.
Question number 39. Components of robotics software are? You chose all of the above, and it is correct. Question number 40. What is Python used for in robotics? Well reasoned. Software language to code programs is the correct choice. Question number 41. How is robotics used in healthcare? Correct. Surgery, rehabilitation, and patient care is the right answer. Question number 42. What are actuators in the robotics?
Nice selection. Can generate motion in each part of the robot is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 43. What is the definition of robotics?
Nicely done. The study of robots is a solid answer.
Question number 44. Robotics is part of the STEM family. Excellent. Yes is a brilliant choice. Question number 45. Choose the statement that is false. Smart pick. The field of robotics is no longer changing is the correct choice. Question number 46. Minimum number of DOF in robotics.
Perfect. 1 is the correct choice.
Question number 47. In robotics, autonomous means dash.
You're right. Dash able to run itself without human interaction is the correct answer.
Question number 48. The energy that makes a robot move. Exactly. Drive power makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 49. Who gave us the laws of robotics?
Excellent choice. A writer is the right answer.
Question number 50. Which are the steps for robotics? On track. Planning, design, construction, operation, and application of robot is the correct answer. Question number 51. Who introduced the term robotics? You got it. Your choice, Isaac Asimov, is right.
Question number 52. Who created the word robotics?
Good thinking. Isaac Asimov is the right answer. Question number 53. What is SIFT in mobile robotics?
Valid point. Scale invariant feature transform is true.
Question number 54. What was the competition called? Clear logic. Your choice, First Lego League Robotics, is sound and 100% true. Question number 55. Who proposed the term robotics? Well done. Isaac Asimov is the right choice. Question number 56. What is the future of robotics? Great thinking. Advancements in A, machine learning, and automation is the right choice. Question number 57. When is the next robotics meet? Great, January 20, 2024 is the accurate answer. Question number 58. A in robotics stand for dash. Nice work. You chose artificial intelligence, and it is correct. Question number 59. Who coined the term robotics? Solid response. Isaac Asimov is a valid choice. Question number 60. He is the father of robotics? Bravo, George Charles Devil. JAR is the answer. Question number 61. The main purpose of robotics. On track. A friend of humanity is the correct answer. Question number 62. Study of robot is called dash. Good thinking. Robotics is the right answer. Question number 63. Who stated laws of robotics? Clear logic. Your choice, Isaac Asimov, is sound and 100% true. Question number 64. The 4 Ds of robotics are: right choice. Dangerous, delicate, dull, and dirty is the best answer. Question number 65. Robotics is not a part of. Right again. Arts is a valid answer. Question number 66. Why is robotics important? Well reasoned. Robotics produces robots and machines that do important work. Is the correct choice. Question number 67. Who is a robotics sponsor? Bravo, Crosby is the answer. Question number 68. In RoboCamp's U dash? Valid point. Build and program a robot is true. Question number 69. The science of robots. Perfect. Robotics is the correct choice. Question number 70. Who is Isaac Asimov? Smart move. Famous writer who gave us the law of robotics is an accurate answer. Question number 71. Who can do robotics? Good job. Your answer, all of the above, works well here. Question number 72. What is Arduinoid? Solid response. A software for coding is a valid choice. Question number 73. Swarm robotics is a strong choice. When robots work together in groups to do things is the right answer. Question number 74. What are robotics? Smart pick. It's the science of robots is the correct choice. Question number 75. The arm of a robot. Excellent choice. Manipulator is the right answer. Question number 76. It means worker. You got it. Your choice job is right. Question number 77. What is VEX VIF? You chose Robotics platform for STEM students. And it is correct. Question number 78. Robotics is the
Correct. Study of robots is the right answer.
Question number 79. What is CAD? Great job. A 3D modeling program is the accurate answer. Question number 80. Row is a
Great thinking. International and national competition is the right choice.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Well done. Contact Narayan Chengder is the right choice.